During the first day of the Jhadc budget session, Thombor Shiwat, the CM of the Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council, presented a deficit budget of rupees 13 crore 59 lakh 36,800 only for the year 2024 to 2025. In his budget speech, Shiwat outlined that the estimated receipts from the council's own resources amount to rupees 29 crore 28 lakhs 23,800 with an additional rupees 97 crore 50 lakhs expected from the government's share of revenue and rupees 77 crore 74 lakhs 99,700 from government grants. Shiwat also provided insight into the Council's financial performance in the previous financial year 2022 to 2023, where actual receipts total rupees 113 crore 62 lakhs 46,064 against total expenditure of rupees 117 crores 81 lakhs 88,185, resulting in a deficit of rupees 4 crore 19 lakhs 42,121 that was covered by surplus from previous years. In a celebration